Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matthews, aka Matthews08. If you are new, I want to say thank you very much, and if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate that you always come back to my channel. You know, last month or this month, I think I did 2 videos about apartment complexes here in Russia, the new apartment complexes that are mushrooming around Moscow, and someone commented that I thought that you are going to show the interior view of an apartment. So I thought of doing such kind of a video because I'm yet in another new apartment complex which is not very far from the center of Moscow. Today we are going to tour a one-roomed apartment and see how it has been built, because now a lot of things are being modernized. We are going to see what are some of the unique features and how much the rentals are monthly. So this is where I am. You can even see how the building or the apartments buildings are looking. As usual, because a lot of people are buying cars each and every day, there is no enough space for people to park their cars. So you're going to see cars parked outside like this because there is no enough space for people to park their cars. That's why it is just like this. What are we doing today? Today we are just touring an apartment, how it looks, how Moscow apartments look inside, you know, because in each and every country apartments are built in a different way and the cost is a little bit different, or the prices, rental prices, they differ. Hence this is the video dedicated for you people, because there are a lot of people want to rent apartments when they visit Moscow from different countries. Well, look how these apartment complexes or apartment buildings are built. Modern, quite modern buildings that you are going to find, and people, they buy cars each and every day. Everyone wants to buy a car, and in these apartment complexes you are going to find that there are offices, there are shops, there are administrative buildings. That's why you can even see on the other side there that people are even working. So without wasting much of your time, guys, as I always say that in December I'm planning on visiting the coldest city on earth called Yakutia, or Yakutsk to be specific. So if you want to support the trip, the only thing that you can do is to, you know, buy the super thanks stickers or just join the YouTube membership community, because there are some, you know, my 2 girlfriends who rented an apartment in this place, one-roomed apartment that I want to show you. And construction is still going around in this place because it's a new apartment complex that is being constructed. This is how it looks inside. Here you can even see these small boxes where you can put, like, if you want to deliver something, some information in different apartments, that's what you're going to do. And you're going to find, you know, the sofa if you are waiting for someone, and they even sell some drinks here that you can get if you want water or something. So let's just get inside. We see go up. Okay, down here the lift is on the 7th floor. That's where I'm going, because last time someone asked me, like, you know, can you show me how it looks inside? So today I'm just showing you. It's a review of a one-roomed apartment here in Moscow, how much it costs and what are you going to find inside if you want to, rent a fully furnished apartment here in Moscow, Russia, to be specific. Always well maintained, very clean, and you see different doors, because someone was asking how does it look inside. So this is how it looks. Different apartments all the way down here, newly constructed, everything under one roof, special features, and the girlfriends are here. Those are my girlfriends sitting waiting for me. Let us check how everything is in this one room. Уже готовы?
Да.
Окей, сейчас быстро посниму. So this is where you're supposed to put your things, and the thing, the light, just place like this. Why is it not offing? This is how you place it, then you see, off, just like that. The two girlfriends that I have. What is your name?
Надя.
And the second one?
Настя.
Yeah. So we have got Nastya and Nadia. Let's walk around in this place. Let's check. Yeah, this is how everything is here. This is a fully furnished apartment. One roomed apartment. You are going to find a washing machine. This is a washing machine, workable condition, and the small where you can put your things. Even toothbrush. Oh la la. And of course the mirror here, where you can see yourself, you can wash yourself. Check down here, there's running water in case you are wondering. The shower, if you want you can take a bath, if you want you can take a shower, it depends. So these are some of the features that you're going to find here in the bathroom, and of course the toilet down here. Let's continue. It's just European standard. Of course the bags, everything here. А здесь где надо свет включить? So we are trying to switch on the lights. So it's quite hectic. You just press here. It's unusual. There's a big TV here, and of course a bed for two people. Me, I was sleeping in the middle. I'm just joking. Okay, and sofa here. Then this should be a bridge in America. A big TV. And someone. За кадром, да?
Да, за кадром.
We continue. We're going to find nice curtains. Very beautiful. And an office here. You can even sit. You do your work. Everything. Nice view. And here the advantage is this place is so near to the airport. You see a lot of planes flying around, and it is autumn in this place. You can even see outside how beautiful it is. So basically this is how this room looks like. It's one apartment, one room apartment. And we come to the kitchen here. There's also a big mirror here.
Ой,
Да.
не видно так. Как сделать? Так что?
Да. Going to find.
Иди сюда. Не видно все равно.
Ты знаешь, как надо делать?
Как?
Надо вот немножко, ага. So we are making selfie here. Wait, before I forget, and here there is oven. Как это открыть? Здесь, да?
Да.
There's microwave. There is cooler, fridge, everything want to put down there. There's also here. And what else? Что еще? Что тут есть?
Это шкаф.
This is a wardrobe. Cupboard.
Посудомоечная машина еще есть.
No. So wardrobe, and there is also a machine, a dishwasher here.
Вот это. Это мусор.
Where you can throw your trash. Wow, this is a dishwasher. For us guys who don't like washing plates, dishes, this is where you can wash your dishes. So good. Where you can put your things, everything we have here. В день сколько стоит?
5000
А если,
от 5.
а если месяца,
В месяц 70 где-то так.
то у нас in a month it's about 70k. Yeah, 70k rubles, and here we can put different things that you want to put, and there is a cooker, stove where you can cook and just sensor with your hands. Apart from that, you're going to find a sofa here.
Hello?
This is a sofa. So we're just exploring, touring this apartment, and the way they have been built, so modern. You just love the interior design, pictures or portraits, whatever you may call them. And as usual, curtain, the view, so mesmerizing. And yes, so this is just a small tour of this place, and you can see down here, so amazing. So this is how one roomed modern apartment looks like here in Moscow, especially if it is new. You can rent it for almost, or starting from 60 to 70,000 rubles per month. I hope this video was quite informative. You've learned one or two things about the apartments here in Moscow. Where are you watching this video from? Drop a comment. And I think the table here. Теперь you guys, you can say bye.
Bye.
Nadia.
من النور جبار بوني كستنو لبرتقنا ايه ترتارا اين ترتارا اين ناتل وتكرر جنة بعد ما تختار